Okay. This is our
So guys, I'm in Would You Rather. Currently, Zeki has found one notebook.
Well, actually, I found two right now. Oh my god, the printer! I almost just got owned by the principal in Bolton Faces. I'm playing on my phone. We tried to do a webcam, but since this is our first time doing a video together, we don't actually know how to properly set up a webcam properly.
Because he doesn't have a webcam on his
so we tried to download the webcam, but it didn't actually work because we don't actually have a camera pointing at us.
Yeah, the camera webcam at the top, so that's why it didn't work.
But at the top right, there should have been like a little like photo of us or something, like either a photo of something or like an emoji or something.
He Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton. Oh my god.
I
put Hillary Clinton. Oh my god.
I just found
oh my god.
I just found a book on the ground and it says how to make a career off YouTube.
I will put you in prison.
Spend a life in prison. I got that. I've only got. I have. Why did you click on that? Copyright free.
Okay.
Okay. We turned off the copyrighted. Well, at least we think it's copyrighted. We just don't want to do any songs because they might be copyrighted.
Yeah, run as fast as a cheetah, fly as slow as a snail.
Why?
Nah, I don't know which one.
Oh god, no. Oh my god.
That girl is...
No! Playtime! I don't want to play with you. Guys,
so slow.
Playtime just got me. I can't even move. She just took away all of my sprinting. There's like a pink guy that has a smiley face on, and he's not even doing anything. Okay, 5 minus 4.
1.
5 plus 3.
Okay, so guys, let's see what the next question is. Why?
Okay, I'm on the messed up answer right now. I'm just gonna type lol.
I wouldn't have extra gravity, have no gravity.
What? Aww. I have to.
Oh my god! I'm flying!
I just found the backpack with that comes with Baldi from the minigame.
Copyright.
Oh yeah, we got some more copyright music. Sorry, but we're just really sorry. I just really have first prize.
Look at everyone
I don't want to marry you first prize. No. I really hope the music I'm hearing is really not copyrighted because even when I'm not filming, I try to not do copyrighted music because just stop copyrighting. Well, I just found it.
Become John Doe, become Jane Doe, John Doe.
Look what I just found.
What?
I found like a little.
Guys, this is gonna be the last game of Would You Rather, and then we'll end.
Yeah, we'll end the video and then do another video, but this time it's gonna be on my
your channel.
I just found a really weird like obby thing. Like it has all these gray balls with faces on them. Sorry, we can't show you. It's just if you want to see it for yourself, go to Baldi Basics in Roblox. I found another notebook.
Next round starting, and then we're gonna wrap up the video.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be our first video done. And it is currently New Year's right now.
Yeah, so that's why we gotta like kind of do videos quick because we're not gonna do mostly videos because we don't really live together. That's one thing, and 2, we need to actually stay home with our family. I found another weird like, I found another weird. I just found another weird character that's not even in Baldi's Basics. Oh, it's a gift. It just.
But guys,
Oh,
2019 is very soon.
I know,
coming.
and I'm gonna be turning 9.
I'm gonna be turning 11.
I just got a chocolate bar from that present. So, guys, apparently there's a new update in Baldi's Basics in Roblox. If you find like a walking present, go and tap it or something, or like walk into it, and then it'll give you either a protein bar or a beef soda.
Alright, so Zeki, it's time to wrap up the video. We will see you guys in 2019. Then we're gonna do another video. We're gonna do another video right now. We're gonna do another video right now. But we'll see you guys in 2019 sometime. We don't know when, because we don't know when we're gonna meet up again.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah.
So we're not gonna be posting for a while. I just got another energy bar.
But on his channel, he might post on here, and on my channel, I might just post by myself too. We don't know. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching this video.
Well, this video is gonna be on my channel because she gets all the comments and views and subscribers. I've only got 13. She's got 17.
Okay. Bye, guys. So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.